Hello, fellow educators. I have been having so much fun doing Tech Tip Tuesdays on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I thought I would do Tech Tip Tuesday on my YouTube as well. And so I thought I would go a little bit more in depth, and then I can shorten them up and then add them to my Tech Tip Tuesday on social media. So today's tech tip is using conditional formatting to help you in Google Sheets. So every week we have a check-in with our students. So we have them write their grades for each subject. We always ask, would you like an individual check-in? Yes or no, and then just on a scale of 1 to 5, how are you doing? And I did make up a lot of this data. We have a lot of kids. Here we have 77. It's actually like half of our kids actually filled this out this week. But to make it really, really easy to see who you really need to check in with, you can do conditional formatting. So I like to see who has high grades, who has low grades. So I'm going to highlight all 4 where there's grades, all 4 columns, and then you click on Format, Conditional Formatting. So I want to know in this range, so H through K, I want to know if someone has an A. So if text contains an A, I want them to be highlighted green. I'm going to do the same thing. Those are still highlighted, so I'm going to click Add Another Rule. Now, if text contains a B, I want it a little bit lighter green. Another rule, if text contains a C, we're going to make that yellow. If text contains a D, we're going to make that orange. And if text contains an F, we're going to make that red. So now, when I get out of here, I can easily look across and see this person is probably someone I want to check in with. And these students are probably students who I'm going to make a parent phone call, send them a positive note card home to let them know that they're doing an awesome job. So same thing with this next column. I want to know who wants an individual check-in today. So I'm going to highlight that column, click on Insert, click on Format, Conditional Formatting. And so I want, if the text says yes, I want that to be highlighted pink. So visually it makes it really easy. I can see 1, 2, 3 people right here I need to check in on. And then this one, a scale of 1 to 5, I want to know who's at like a 1 or a 2, who's kind of below typical. So I'm going to highlight that cell, or highlight that column. I'm going to click on Format, Conditional Formatting, and for this one, since they're all numbers, I want something that is less than a 3. Or I could do less than or equal to 2. Whoops. 2. Let's highlight this one. We're going to highlight it red because it needs some attention. Click Done. And so that is how you can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to really help organize information and make it easier for you. And if you're wondering how I got this data, this is from a Google form. All the students filled out a Google form, and then I decided to display the data here in Google Sheets. For any more tech tips, feel free to leave a comment if there's something that you want me to look at in the future. Thanks!